Hey everyone, welcome to the third day of the challenge. Now, this challenge is very easy. All we have to do is visit KTM dealer around where we live. Now, I live near Werribee. We do have one dealer that's near Hoppers Crossing on the old Geelong Road. So yeah, I'm just right like about maybe 5 kilometers away from my house, and I'm just going to the dealer now. So let's get the ride going. It's going to be very short, very easy challenge today, and after the challenge I might go out for a ride somewhere. I'll ask them if they want me to film in there. If they don't want me to film in there, I won't. But yeah, I'm just gonna have a look around, you know, look at a couple of KTM models maybe. Spend about say 10-15 minutes there and get out of there. Alright, so let's get on the bike and get the ride going. Oh, actually the app. Let's get the app going. Motorcycle KTM. Now let's see. Oh, they're open. Cool. So the rules in Australia right now, I'm in Victoria. The masks are still on. So I'm gonna put that on. Because this is the closest one that we live near. Oh no! The visit to the KTM dealer is done. They didn't want me to take any videos because of the security cameras and everything, which makes sense, which kind of makes sense really. A lot of these places will tell you not to take pictures and everything, which is fine, you know. So, and yeah, as soon as I got into the dealership and I stopped my app, as soon as I walked into the dealership, I got the 250 points. Yeah, and as soon as I stopped the app, it was like up to 250 points there. So the day 3 challenge is done. Now, if you guys want to hang around and watch me do a bit of off-roading stuff, you can watch the rest of the video. Otherwise, it's all. So I'll have a look at tomorrow. We go. We'll figure it out there what we do tomorrow. But yeah, other than that, told me that, yeah, you've done all the challenges. Anyways, I'm gonna continue doing the recording because I still need to make the 1,000 kilometers. Yeah, so I still need to make the 1,000 kilometers going on, so we're gonna do that today. And this can turn off. Okay.